Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So I want to show you the progress for last 2 days. Unfortunately, I could not do it on like single day. So a lot of things have been progressed. You see that all the drywall cuts that were done previously have been patched, and now paint has been done too. Let me know if you like this color or not. And even the ceiling drywall cuts that have been patched. So now the remaining task would be like plumber will come next week. Plumber will first fit the toilet here, okay, and after that vanity is gonna be installed here, okay, and in this space washer and dryer stack will be installed. This is the power for my dryer which needs higher. This is water supply for washer, and that will be the power supply for washer. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know if you like the paint and other things. So I'll see you guys next week again once it is ready. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.